He is the candidate who is filing a form on behalf of a political party is supposed to file an affiliation of that political party or a certificate or whatever that thing is.
That is just before the election symbol is granted.
In the
nomination paper की बात
in the nomination papers, he is supposed to do that. Did he do that or not?
Mr. Faez Siddiqui, why are you not filing the document? Sorry, this is not on. You can't just make statements without, I mean, we won't even need to ask these questions if the document was before us. I mean, बहस कर रहे हैं हम लोग facts पे.
Your lordship had asked the election.
It's not our job to ask, it's your job to tell us.
Commission को नहीं कहते तो मैं फाइल
आप फाइल ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कोई चीज. हम आपसे सवाल ही नहीं पूछते, डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ लेते, खत्म हो जाती है बात.
मेरे ख्याल में yesterday कमीशन से पूछ लेंगे. You came forward to tell us that.
I can. नहीं फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब.
चले आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Yesterday we had asked the election commission to file these.
The election commission will provide.
Let them file. मैंने तो आपको स्टेट किया जो नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म में है, and then he was not given.
हाँ कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट नहीं फाइल किया.
नॉमिनेशन के साथ नहीं फाइल.
एक सेकंड, आपसे नहीं बात कर रहे.
नॉमिनेशन के साथ
इलेक्शन कमीशन बताए ना what is the form that was filed? The form that this gentleman filed.
Is it on record?
I've just brought it because it was asked for yesterday. And
what is
ठीक है, आप उसकी कॉपीज बनवा लें, फाइल करें.
in 5 minutes I'll.
ठीक है. चलें आगे बढ़ते हैं, आ जाएगा डॉक्यूमेंट.
The election is of Sunni Ittihad Council, my lord. But since he was not allotted the symbol of the Sunni Ittihad Council, he was allotted a symbol of independent. He contested at independent. But when the nomination forms were filed, he was shown as having affiliation with Sunni Ittihad Council. But since his symbol was not given, he contested an independent and joined his own party, sir. So that's the first.
What was his declaration in his nomination paper?
That he is affiliated with Sunni Ittihad Council.
This was declaration?
Page.
Sir, ये nomination forms आपने.
No. Are you filing something?
You'd asked the election commission.
We will do so, but have you? It's your
I'll
nomination.
file if they don't file, sir. क्योंकि आपने उनसे मंगवा लिया था इसलिए मैंने किया.
What else?
Your lordship's second question was regarding Mr. Salman Raja's client. I have instructions from the Sunni Ittihad Council that if we get the reserve seat, she will be one of the candidates, and we've issued a certificate regarding that. As far as the clause regarding that only Muslim adults can join the Sunni Ittihad Council, my lord, the only further thing I would say on that is that it's not an unusual clause. Even JUIF has that clause, who have been allotted reserve seats. So these are my submissions.
And all this is in the air. You haven't shown us JUIF's manifesto.
मैं वो भी फाइल कर दूँ.
नहीं, ये देखें, ऐसे you can't make statements on the bar which are factual in nature. You can certainly make statements which are legal in nature.
I'll file it today,
them.
but the election commission can confirm this.
No, ठीक है.
I'm very grateful, sir. The chairman is here if there are any further questions, sir. Thank you, sir.
Lord, I appear for respondents number 15 to 19 and 21.
15 to 19
and 21 to 22.
Mr. Makhdoom, would it not be appropriate if the election commission were to start?
My lord,
how do you say? I mean,
we are entirely in your law.
But I think you will, because I think you are the contesting party. Because if the decision goes, it will go against you. I mean, election commission will not become members of parliament. So since we are hearing the contesting parties,
election commission's notifications, which have, led to a number of things. So whether they have to explain how those notifications were issued. So, I mean, we're just asking you a question.
My lord,
what would be more appropriate?
Amongst us, we had so decided, but at the end of the day,
कल तो यही decide हुआ था कि आप आगे करेंगे.
But that's the prerogative of your lordships, as your lordships.
Let's not waste time on these minor things.
My lord, Mr. Muni Bakhtar, your lordship had asked yesterday that I should also state the affiliations, party affiliations of my clients. My lord, the respondent number 15.
Are the respondent numbering the same in both the appeals?
My lord, they are.
Aapka number kya hai?
Sir, 333 of 2024 is the appeal number. Respondents number 15 to 18 are from PMLN. Respondent number 19 is from JUI Pakistan.
15 was?
15 to 18 are from PMLN. 19 is JUI Pakistan.
Is it the same as JUIF? Or they do?
FP, yes.
Is the same party?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Official name is JUI Pakistan.
And 21 and 22 are from Pakistan People's Party parliamentarians.
Are these the only affectees or are there more?
Your Ladyship, there are more, but these are the only ones who are made respondents. It was...
And the others have not they don't want to join the proceedings?
Your Ladyship, I have no idea. The appellants have chosen not to join them. And
But they had the option to join.
Yes.
ठीक है.
I am-
Number 20, nobody represents number 20?
I don't, Your Ladyship. My Lord,
I'll have to push you along.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry, it's a painful
No,
duty I have to do.
My Lord, I'll try to be brisk. The brief facts, Your Lordship already have them, but the election program was issued by the ECP under Section 57 of the Elections Act 2017 on 15th of December 2023. On 22nd December, it was modified, and the elections to the general seats, the last date, and this date is important, for filing of nomination papers was extended to 24th December from 22nd December. And likewise, the last date for filing lists of candidates for reserved seat for women and non-Muslims was extended to 24th December. The appellant was allocated the election symbol horse. The Election Commission will make it clearer, but insofar as I am aware, no member filed their nomination papers as candidates of SIC. And again, SIC did not submit a political party's list of candidates for reserved seats.
You were saying that your instructions are, because there are two appellants. One is the gentleman on whose behalf Mr. Faez Siddiqui has just made a statement.
Yes, sir.
You are saying that he did not file a nomination paper showing his affiliation as SIC?
My Lord, I have heard something different this morning.
Is your instruction?
No, I have heard something different, that he did file from SIC, but what I gathered from the results notified was that he was notified as a result, as a candidate, independent candidate with the election symbol tower, whereas SIC was issued the election symbol horse. So he returned on the election symbol
Why
of
was
tower.
he denied if he filed the form declaring that he is a candidate for SIC? Why was he denied the election symbol horse?
Sir, in those days he was not allowed to submit the letter showing his affiliation with SIC, and then he was forcefully given the symbol.
When he filed
other
the
than
nomination form, he is the candidate who is filing a form on behalf of a political party is supposed to file an affiliation of that political party or a certificate or whatever that thing is.
That is just before the election symbol is granted.
In the
nomination paper की बात
in the nomination papers, he is supposed to do that. Did he do that or not?
Mr. Faez Siddiqui, why are you not filing the document?
document
Sorry,
is
this is not on.
Sir, आपने
You can't
election
just make
commission को
statements
कहा है.
without, I mean, we won't even need to ask these questions if the document was before us. I mean, बहस कर रहे हैं हम लोग facts
Sir, your
पे.
lordship had asked the
It's
election.
not our job to ask, it's your
अगर
job
आप
to tell
election
us.
commission को नहीं कहते से तो मैं फाइल
आप फाइल ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कोई चीज, हम आपसे सवाल ही नहीं पूछते, डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ लेते, खत्म हो जाती बात।
पूछ लेते हैं मेरे ख्याल में
इलेक्शन कमीशन से पूछ लेंगे, लेकिन you came forward to tell us that's
I can
नहीं फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब,
चले आगे बढ़ते हैं।
yesterday we had asked the election commission to file these
the election
documents.
commission will provide.
Let them file
मैंने
it.
तो आपको स्टेट किया जो नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म में है, एंड देन ही वाज नॉट गिवन।
आप कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट नहीं फाइल किया, सर्टनी पॉलिटिकल
नॉमिनेशन के साथ नहीं फाइल की।
एक सेकंड, आपसे नहीं बात कर रहे,
नॉमिनेशन के साथ नहीं
इलेक्शन
फाइल
कमीशन
किया।
बताए ना what is the form that was filed, the form that this gentleman filed,
Is it on record?
But I just brought it because it was asked for yesterday. And
what is
ठीक
that?
है, आप उसकी कॉपीज बनवा लें, फाइल करें।
in 5 minutes, I
हाँ ठीक है, चलें आगे बढ़ते हैं, आ जाएगा डॉक्यूमेंट।